The iPhone 17 Pro Max Silver isn't just a color, it's a statement. Here's why I believe the silver outshines cosmic orange and stands as Apple's best colorway of the season. This is Dave from Tech Refresh. It's been a while, but we're back with the iPhone 17 Pro Max Silver, which in my opinion is absolutely stunning. And I'll have a whole bunch of videos. I got a lot of cases in-house to review, but right now we're just reviewing the colorway of the phone. Now, I was waffling back and forth between silver and cosmic orange. Orange is probably one of my least favorite colors, but it's the one that Apple's advertising. It's everywhere. Everybody's like, Dave, did you get the cosmic orange? No, I actually ended up picking the silver because I knew I'm not going to want to look at an orange phone for like a year or sometimes two. I don't always upgrade. I'm not going to want to look at orange. Plus, it's going to be difficult. You know, I got to go real basic with the cases because orange is just not a color that goes with everything. So I went with the silver, and when I got it, I couldn't have been more pleased. This thing is absolutely stunning. The best way to describe, and I don't think my camera's doing it justice. I'm recording with a Elgato Facecam Pro. So it's probably not really doing it justice along with this lighting. But the best way to describe it is clean. Now, I like Apple's design choice this year. I really like just something different, man. These phones have been fairly boring. Ever since everybody left the market and it's just pretty much Samsung and Apple with a little sprinkle of Google, everybody's gone boring. At least Apple's doing something a little different. Here's a good look at what they're calling the plateau. If the camera's focusing, it doesn't bother me much. But what I really like is the two-tone. It's like, it's not a lot, but it's something different than what Apple's been doing. That tone kind of changes color depending on the lighting and how you're looking at the phone, the angle of the phone. Sometimes the little panel on the back looks silver, and sometimes it looks like stark white. So that's a good look. And there's some cases that I've put on this phone that embrace the design language and make this phone absolutely pop. And I'll be reviewing those cases. Look forward to that. But ask yourself, do you really want an orange phone for a year, 2 or 3? Like, that's going to get tired. Like, the blue is cool, but I had a blue 12 Pro Max. I didn't want to go back to blue. Silver reminds me, it gives me old school Apple vibes. It just gives me clean, old school Apple vibes. You guys can see it. We back to aluminum. We left the titanium, even though they told us titanium was the greatest thing on earth. They're like, nah, back to aluminum. I'm not mad at it. It does look a little cheaper, but overall, man, I'm absolutely satisfied with this color. And I would say, go look. If you on the fence, go to Best Buy, go to wherever they got these phones out. Go look at the white versus the orange and ask yourself, do you really want a cosmic orange phone compared to something this clean? All right, get active in the comments. Let me know what you think. What colorway is the best? I'm going silver all day. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.